BBAI stock analysis and BBAI stock prediction, 28th of May and onwards. I'm going to break down exactly how I'm going to play and trade BigBear.ai stock. Ultimately, it's alongside the prediction, but I'm going to show you the intricacies. Look, I've done 40,000 videos and it's taken me 5 years to come to this point, and no one else has done it, documented them all actually, and I've done it for every single day for 5 years, and then ultimately I've seen what's making money and what's not. Specifically BBAI's prediction here, I mean, here's when I have called out this exact movement. This a day ago, right, when we were sitting at 364. From 364 now we're freaking 448, so dollar plus. With all that to say is that when we open up on Wednesday, I mean, I doubt that it will come down, but I'm open-minded to it, you know, because the only thing that I'm going to buy is the price correcting down, not just at the top. I'm just saying, right? And there's all these previous receipts in the Discord as well. So I'm not going to force anything, but if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5, 10K per month with indicators, trading with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.